Welcome to Teacher Bear's Cooking Studio. Today we are going to make Dalgona coffee and butter breadstick afternoon tea set. It is very popular recently, especially in Korea and Macau, but honestly it is still easy and you can always make it at home. The ingredients for Dalgona coffees are milk 150 milliliter, instant coffee powder 2 teaspoons, sugar 2 teaspoons, boiling hot water 2 teaspoons, some ice cubes. First, we need to mix coffee powder, hot water, sugar together and beat it up for 400 times or more. You will see the color changing of the mixture. Put it upside down and it won't fall for 5 seconds and it's done. Second, pour the milk into a glass and place some ice cube if you like. Third, shake the cream up to the milk. Leave it in the freezer for at least 5 to 10 minutes. The ingredients for butter breadsticks are 3 slices of toast, sugar 20 grams, milk 10 milliliter, butter 30 grams. First, mix butter, sugar into a container and microwave it for 40 seconds. Second, cut toast into stripes. Third, add milk to the butter mixture. Fourth, deep toast stripes and cook it with medium-low heat. Fifth, sprinkle some sugar on both sides of toast when they are cooked golden brown. That's our afternoon tea set.